That one's done. This one is not. And we have a whole mess of parts here that all have to go into this car. Whew. Let's get started. Alright, pads and rotors are done, which for good measure, they were absolutely haggard. We got to put in a brand new turbo air filter. Point goes back towards the back of the car. Aw, yeah, would you look at that? Quite the difference. Old lights are out. Let's see. Aw, yeah. All right. That looks significantly better. These are a blackout light around the sides with a little bit of a ladder design on the inside, and still retains the reflectors of the respective colors for the turn signals, the backups, and the brake lights. So I think we're gonna end it there just for now. Reason being, we got to do the drums, the pads, and we're still waiting on a few things for that. And I believe we're going to be getting into an infotainment system or an entertainment system of some sort, which is really good because it just goes right here. You don't even need a dash trim kit. And as I figured out on a previous one, you don't need to start pulling away things from the left. You literally just pull that off and you get full access. It really is a very, very easy, accessible infotainment system. We're going to be doing that. We're going to be doing a backup camera, I believe. So we will hit you up in another one. But for now, thank you very much for joining. See you in the next one.